Hi guys, it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna show you guys my room for fall and Halloween. So like a room tour for 2023. So here's the sign on my door. It says Happy Halloween. And then over here we have my orange lights. We have the mayor from Nightmare Before Christmas. Over here we have a tree, a skull, 2 bows, and this little pumpkin on the mirror. On my bed we have my pumpkin blanket, cute little dog, my Jack and Sally Squishmallows with this one in the middle, Snoopy, my gnome pillow. That's not really Halloween, but yeah. And then coming over here on my vanity, we have some leaves, Jack Skellington, some spiders, candle, a mug, this little thing that says pumpkin spice and everything nice. This lights up. We have some squirrels and acorns, these cool pumpkins, another one of those. Dresser one. And then we have my 2 Halloween bags, this one and that one. Over here, same little setup. Those candles light up, such a vibe. We have an R sign up there, Jack once again, just cute little festive things over here. And yeah guys, that's the room tour. Hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.